Start downloading. You can play the game after a while. Start downloading. You can play the game after a while. Start downloading. You can play the game after a while. Download is complete. Let's start playing the game.
It is raining. Thousands of little raindrops are falling down from the clouds. There is a naughty raindrop that has jumped onto Quacky's nose.
Little raindrop, where are you from?
Where is the little raindrop hiding?
Here are the buttons. If you think it's true, press the green button. If you think it's false, press the red button. Let's begin. The moon glows. Is it true? Tap the button and choose your answer. Tap the question mark to see the answer. Tap the question mark to see the answer. Tap the question mark to see the answer. It is false. The moon does not glow. The moon does not glow on its own. The light we see is actually the sunlight reflected by the moon. Next question. There are many craters on the surface of the moon. Is it true? There are many craters on the surface. This is true. There are many craters on the surface of the moon. Meteorites have cratered the surface of the moon. These craters are called meteorite craters. Next question. The stars are smaller than the moon. Is it true? Tap the question. It is false. The stars we see are actually bigger than the moon. The stars look very small because they are far away from us. In fact, they are very big, much bigger than the moon. Next question. The moon is as big as the sun. Is it true? Tap the question mark to see the answer. Tap the question mark to see the answer. It is false. The moon is not the same size as the sun. The sun and the moon appear the same size because the sun is farther away from us. In fact, the sun is much bigger than the moon. Next question. The moon can be seen during the day. Is it true? Tap the question mark to see the answer. Tap the question. This is true. The moon can be seen during the day. Look for it bright in the sky in the early morning or evening, you may be able to see the moon. End of Q&A. Share the moon knowledge you just learned with Mom and Dad.